This is how to make the foundation single crochet. You're going to start with a slip knot on your hook, and this is going to make the foundation chain and the single crochet all at the same time. So you're going to chain 2, 1 and 2. You're going to insert your hook into that second chain from your hook, so the loop on your hook does not count as a stitch or a chain. This is your first chain, this is your second. So you're going to insert your hook into that second chain. You're going to yarn over and bring that yarn through that chain, and then you're going to yarn over again and bring that yarn through that first loop on your hook, and that's the first foundation chain. And now you have 2 loops left. You're going to yarn over and go through both of those loops, and that's your first single crochet that you just created. So we created the foundation chain and we created the single crochet. And now we're going to do that again. So we're going to insert our hook into the bottom underneath both loops of that foundation chain that we did. Yarn over, go through both of those loops and up. And we want to create that foundation chain again, so yarn over and just go through the first loop, creating that foundation chain, and now yarn over and go through both loops, creating that single crochet. And there you go, we just did 2 single crochets. We did our 2 foundation chains, and we're going to continue to do this for as many single crochets that we need. What's nice about this is you're doing your first row at the same time as your foundation row, which is awesome. And it makes this nice edging as well, and it's very nice and stretchy too. So you're just inserting your hook underneath both loops at the bottom there of that foundation, yarning over, bringing it up, yarning over, going through the first loop only, the foundation, and then you're going again and yarning over and going through both of those loops, making that single crochet. And look at how nice the bottom is. And again, underneath both loops, yarn over, bring that through and up, yarn over, go through the first loop to create that foundation, and then again yarn over, go through both loops to create that single crochet. So again, insert your hook underneath both loops of the foundation, yarn over, bring that through and up, yarn over, go through that first loop to create that foundation, yarn over, go through both loops to create that single crochet. And again, insert your hook underneath both loops of the foundation, yarn over, bring that loop up, yarn over, go through the first loop to create that foundation, yarn over, go through both loops to create that single crochet. And it's nice and stretchy. It's got that nice look at the bottom, and that's what it looks like. Hope this helps.